Now we can trace out the path of light through a glass prism. You can all see that this is your glass prism. It is having a rectangular base and it has three rectangular sides and two triangular sides. We will keep the prism in this manner to trace the path of light. So, first step involves drawing of the boundary of this prism. Now I am going to mark the incident ray. Now we have drawn the incident ray and we will put up two pins over here as our image pins. These pins need to be in the same straight line, and now I am keeping the prism back and we will observe the light through the other side of the prism. Now these two pins have been put up so that the image of these two pins which can be seen over here are in same straight line. Now we are going to remove these pins, and to identify the marks we can draw a circle around it, and finally we can now join this to get the refracted ray. Now see children, this is the incident ray and the point of incidence. So we will draw the normal at the point of incidence. This is our normal. Now had this prism not been over here, then the path taken by the light would have been this one. Since because of this prism the light has bent, and you can see this is the refracted ray. This is our angle of incidence, this is the angle of refraction, refracted ray, and here again at the point of emergence. Now this is the normal at the point of emergence. Now this is the angle of incidence, angle of refraction. This is the angle of incidence on the second surface, and you can observe this angle. This is going to be the angle of emergence. Now see, the light travelled from air to glass. So this would have been path of the light. It has bent towards the normal. Now from the glass to the air, this is the normal. It would have gone in this manner, but it has bent towards the away from the normal. So you can see one thing over here, in a prism when the light falls on the surface of the prism, it bends towards the base, and if I extend this back, then this is the angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray, which we say is the angle of deviation. So basically you can now observe that the path of light, had this prism not been there, would have been in this. Because of the presence of the prism, the path of the emergent ray is this one. So the light has deviated from its original path, and this is the angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray.